Title: Rottweiler Tail Docking, Understanding the Debate. Rottweilers are known for their distinctive appearance and strong muscular build. One characteristic often associated with this breed is the practice of tail docking, which involves removing a portion of the dog's tail. However, this practice has become a subject of heated debate among dog enthusiasts, veterinarians, and animal rights activists. In this video, we will delve into the controversy surrounding Rottweiler tail docking and explore both sides of the argument. The history of tail docking. Tail docking has been practiced for centuries, and its origins can be traced back to working dogs. Originally, it was done to protect the dogs from injuries during hunting or herding tasks. It was believed that by removing a portion of the tail, the chances of the tail getting caught on something and subsequently injured were reduced. Over time, tail docking started to be influenced by aesthetics and breed standards. The argument in favor of tail docking. Proponents of tail docking argue that it is necessary to maintain the breed's appearance and conform to breed standards. They claim that the practice enhances the Rottweiler's overall aesthetics and promotes breed identification. Additionally, they argue that docking reduces the risk of tail-related injuries such as fractures or infections, which can be painful and costly to treat. On the other hand, enthusiasts of tail docking believe that it can serve as a form of communication. They claim that docking the tail makes it easier for humans to read a dog's body language, as the tail is less flexible and its movements can be accurately interpreted. This, they argue, can prevent misunderstandings and increase the bond between humans and Rottweilers. The argument against tail docking. Opponents of tail docking emphasize the ethical concerns associated with the practice. They argue that it is a form of animal cruelty, as it involves unnecessary surgery and causes pain and distress to the dog. Many countries have gone as far as to ban tail docking, considering it an invasive procedure that violates animal welfare laws. Furthermore, opponents assert that tail docking can affect a dog's overall well-being. The tail, which is an extension of the spine, is an essential communication tool for dogs. By removing a portion of the tail, dogs lose an important means of expressing themselves and interacting with their environment. Some studies suggest that early exposure to tail docking may even result in long-lasting behavioral issues such as aggression or anxieties. The middle ground, tail docking alternatives. Recognizing the concerns on both sides, some breeders and veterinarians have proposed alternatives to traditional tail docking. One such option is the practice of tail docking by banding, which involves placing an elastic band on the tail to interrupt blood supply, causing the tail to fall off naturally. This method eliminates the need for invasive surgery and reduces pain and distress for the dog. Another approach gaining popularity among Rottweiler owners is allowing the tail to remain intact but carefully monitoring and addressing any potential tail injuries. Conclusion. In conclusion, tail docking in Rottweilers remains a divisive topic, with valid points being made both for and against the practice. While proponents argue for aesthetics and injury prevention, opponents highlight ethical concerns and the welfare of the dogs. As the debate continues, it is essential to consider alternative options that can strike a balance between respecting breed standards and ensuring the well-being of our beloved Rottweilers. Ultimately, it is crucial to make informed decisions based on credible research and expert opinions to ensure the best possible outcome for our furry companions.